Hey, welcome back to this video, and today we are going to know the best 5 ways to use the VS Code in our phone. Number 1, install the code server in your phone using termux. For this I have already created a video, you can watch that and install the code server in your phone. I want to say you code server is one of the best way to use VS Code in our phone. In the code server almost every feature you can access of the VS Code and you can use that. Number 2, install the VS Editor app in your phone from Play Store or from github.com. The best part of this VS Editor app is that it is an app and you can install it in your phone and you can use it anytime, anywhere. And yes, you can take the feel of VS Code in your phone using this app. That is why I want to say you this app is literally amazing. Number 3, use the GitHub codespace for use the VS Code. Just go github.com/codespaces. First of all, you don't have any account, so you can create an account and just go on this URL and select here a blank template for use the VS Code. It will take some time for reloading, and after some time you will get a VS Code and you can use this VS Code anytime using this URL. And this VS Code is literally amazing because you can download any extension here and use that. Number 4, use the play.tailwind.css. Here you can edit the code in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It's mean you can create a static website from here and you will get all emit of VS Code and all shortcuts you can use here. Number 5, use replit.com. Just click on sign up button and create an account using Google, and here you can create a new REPL and edit that. The best part of this Replit, here you will get a HTTPS development server which you can share with your friends and they can see your website. So these are the best ways to use VS Code in phone.